This bumbo clock. Tell it your head, brother. We go shovel them beside them dead, brother.
Alright, in the meantime, watch this.
Any police where they buy your PLS, tell them to find a file they bow rapist. Can't be a tough with name Rasfoot. Any police where they buy your PLS, tell them to find a file they bow rapist. Any police where they buy your PLS, tell them to find a file they bow rapist.
Yeah, and that's where I set up. Welcome to Sunflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, and you already know what time it is. It's time for another dancehall music review, and this one is about Teach Them Again. Enough people have said teach them again. How you fit teach somebody again when you never teach them already? Anyhow, right into the blood of thing. Listen up. If you're not a dancehall music fan, I don't want to see your funny comments in the comment section. You hear me? I said this is for dancehall crowd. Alright? And this is a reply from Jamil to Chronic Law when Chronic Law dropped School Them. You understand? So Jamila says a dunce. You can't school somebody, you have to teach somebody. You teach somebody inside of an institution called a school, but school them. Dunce. Let's talk about the artwork first. So with the artwork, right? Somebody said to me, I said, there's a floor. Remember, you know, in war you have to count the artwork too. I don't think so. Here's why I don't think so. Because graphic design and all these things are at everybody's disposal right now. And people can get somebody to get as graphic as possible. For instance, Chronic Law can easily show Jamil on the cover with one leg mash up over there so and pop off him body and him head over there so and you know what I say? And them just gonna get more graphic and more graphic. And an art war we a fight, a lyrical war we a fight. You hear me I say? So even though the artwork for this one was it have Chronic Law head down on the desk and Jamil turn up there dressed like a teacher, you know, in a casual shirt with him tie and him a hold the book like him a teach him a lesson. But him have the Maggie with the long thing in the belly right there so him head back bust out, blood a drain all over the desk in the classroom. And it says 6'9" on the man desk. And him called Chabas, right? So that's how the 6'9" come in, Chabas. And then him have Dunce also written on the desk. Alright, like I said, I'm not all into the whole artwork thing because if so, I would have reviewed the artwork when Chronic Law did Talk Facts. Gun in a face. But a Chronic Law said it in the song still, him say, after we shove gun in your face, you come back and I show we everything where your mind I think and all these things. So, you know what I say, let's come off of that and let's talk about the lyrics in the song. Was this a good song? Was it a counteraction, a strong counteraction? First of all, the people them too rotted by us here, man. We don't want to kill out the war before the war even start here, man. You see big people like me, you know, we have followed this thing from how long? We are talking about from Bounty Killer and Beenie Man a war come right up, Vybz Kartel and Mavado a war go right up. Remember the Gully Gaza thing broke while I know we can't get a feud like that. And the reason is not only because both of those artists are giants, but those artists blaze that trail on their way to becoming giants, you know. So here we are. When you start, you see, me I talk about the two side them. What I notice I go on is the people that must say stuff like, no matter what song Chronic Law put out, it not good to me. Because a Patriot's my thing there. Or a Mavado my thing there over which part, Gully side there. Or a Vendetta my thing there and through Jamil's par with them in a film like a group of them ever go on. Then me not rate no song where Chronic Law put out. That's bias as hell. And vice versa upon the other side. Me see the fans them a push out, you know, and it's like no matter what song Jamil put out. All the song when the song a kick like Mazaki, Mad Donkey, the man them a say, a garbage that. That song they weak. That song they want some supplicant. I'm guarantee you if you hear that same song there from your artist, you would say, yo, that song they body that dog. You know I kill the thing, dog. You know I kill the thing. And next thing, how a man I go DJ 4 tune and then tap and say, okay, it done. How you do? Cry Cree? No, man, me not like them kind of war, man. You can't come and say it done, man. And we, the people, have to say it done. And guess what? It can go on for years and not done. So you see right now, under this whole quarantine thing, we just want tune after tune after tune here, so we don't want to hear no long talk about no done, and me not talk again. Nah, run the tune them. You know how good this I go sound later? One time a DJ mix this back and say, yo, remember the war with Jamil versus Chronicler? See it up on a whole CD, and you have 10 straight track pan from Chronicler and 10 straight from Jamil, and a back to back, and I can throw that in the Benz and ride around and say boom boom boom. You know what I say, and the vibes they build. Well, you can't make the man them come out with 4 songs and then the thing done. Nah, give me at least 10 a piece, man, and that me I look for. You see it? So in this song, you know, teach them again. Jamil said them start a war now, them want to run. And him say them want to run because Chronicler come talk about say him done. Him not sing no more. Him done. Oh, you fi say you done. You have to go answer again, brother. Yeah, you saw me I say, them start a war and now them want to run. But guess what? People are going to say, Southflow is not Chronicler started, you know. So I don't know how Jamila said them start a war. It's not Chronicler started, is Jamil started with 357. I saw somebody tell me the other day, but me not believe that because I went and did my research. I'm find Chronicler did a deal with somebody rough, which is Squidward. He did a deal with Squidward rough back in I went 2000 and something. Not 2000 and something, 6 months ago. Did I style up the man in the most ways. So you know say you know how the team thing go already. So anyhow, them start a war now, them want to run. Them can't fool, them can't school with him say. Because them are fucking dunce. So again, him a talk straight, school them by Chronicler, and him come back and say, teach them again. Them can't school with. Them a fucking dunce. Point and squeeze, trigger finger no lazy. Pussy half for dead. Me killer them no shaky. Anywhere me go, for them, a that name Gravery. Me sick, me psycho, me bomber clad crazy. Jamil come right out. Me like that little line there still. But I don't really know what it's in reference to other than the fact, say, the man I tell him, say, yo, you don't know, killer dog. For nothing a fantasy. You see what I say, young la chat. Understand? And Jamila reinforce that and make him know, say, yo, me sick, me psycho, me bomber clad crazy. Anyway, we both know. And that name Gravery. You see it? Law in your name. That a beer Babylon. Babylon, law. Law deals with Babylon. Babylon deals with the law. Simple to understand. Kill Chester with tattoo your face pan the man. And which man have them face tattoo pan the man? And they must say kill Chester with tattoo your face pan the man. Me no conk man. We underground them. Remember, Chronicler in school them say is a little picnic where I rude. Just conk him and send him home. I punk him, send him home, go do raking. And the man I say, we no conk picnic youth. We grown man. And put them on the ground. You see it? I come with a child's play thing and a gangster thing man I deal with. Basically, me never take a kick, never take a box. Wouldn't say you rape if I never fax. The man say him never take a kick, never take a box. Again, he's refuting because Chronicler say him a get extort and him get boxed down in him place there that day. These are the accusations that were alleged by Chronicler law boss in a school them, and Jamil counteracts that in teach them again by saying we not conk man, we underground them. We never take a kick, never take a box. Would say you rape if I never fax? And again, here we go with this rape thing. I mean, I'm telling us that this rape thing I get out of control, you know. I want Jamil to come up with some facts, because if he come up with the facts, you can imagine how much people are going to jump ship and say, yo, dog, me don't know say you're a rapist, me not back you again. Me not know, sir. Me not the part of a rapist team. But I've seen people jump on the Batty Wash team and Brata team and them still over and them still over there, so anything is anything. All me I say is this. If you are going to put out an accusation of a man being a rapist and saying you know say it's facts, then show out some info. You see what I say? Show out some proof. So we can say, blows and skirt, a lie. Where that come from? But of course, you know, Chronicler say, any squad you have on your peer list, Any police boy you have on your playlist, tell him to dig up that file there. That file there where you talk about, because you're too rotted lie. So, is this a defamation of character thing? And that are going around there, so. Anyhow, now them want to run. Great Don full of money and fucking gun. Them can't school with. Them are fucking dunce. That a part of the chorus. And then him go around here so go say this bumbleclot. Who? And then him say, you lick your head, brother. We go shovel them beside them dead, brother. Oh God. You see, anytime them warrior go on, you notice that people, mother get dash way in there, who now fuck who for mother, or ride who for baby mother back and all these things. And then now them gone to the point where them all of these people, dead people, you know man. People take them thing a personal, you know man, beyond pen and paper, you know, beyond microphone, you know man. People will smile and you go on like say, all is fear in love and war. So here what, just make you run. But me I tell you, so in the back of their mind, them now go forget it. Them are gonna feel like say, them have to avenge it. So we just only hope that this stay on record. You saw me I say, it stay musically. Anyway, the man make him know say, hey, what? Go shovel them beside them dead brother. It's a bag of dunce them. Them no well clever. The man said, Tivoli said them no have no sense. Say you're bad and you're afraid of the fans them comments. In other words, you must say that's why you run. That's why you talk about the thing done. Because you have people online that are saying Jamil is leading. Then you have people where say you are leading. And then you have Chronic Law is leading. And then, you know what I say, and you're afraid. So right now you feel like you win, so you're going to take it and run with it. You're afraid of the fans them comments. Come on, man. We have dollars. Them now make no sense. Dollars and cents, as in pennies, quarters, nickels and dimes, dollars and cents, as in cents, also as in now make no sense, you know, when you chat foolishness. Alright. Jamil say, from this start, it can't done. No running. No running. So, Chronic Law can talk about him done all him want to. Jamil is saying, no running. Pull which Glock? You a shop them a broke. Empty a clip in a miss a nah fuck. In other words, he must say the man you not get no catches. And him is not no damn big bad man and a murder him thing. And that's a theme thing there. Theme thing that they are no boss thing. A shop them man you broke and lick down old lady and take a purse and these things. I saw. Cha boss, you not no militants. Now have no power for me drain. Use a piggy bank. Blood cleat, the man say. Because remember, you know, Cha boss, him call the man, you know, which is Law Boss, and Law Boss say, a strength you look. And Jamila say, even if me that look strength, it wouldn't be from you, youth. Because you don't have nothing in there, I'll be a loose change. You know what I say? Man, I look dollars. So I must say, you is a piggy bank. It's not like you is a bank. You don't have no, you know what I say? You don't have no power for me drain. You is a piggy bank. School who? Fat fucker, your brain a fool you. Me not just bad in a song. We bad everywhere. And him end it like that. So, in other words, I must say, go on with the talk, man. Just know, say, we run road in a studio, out a studio, where we sing about, we defend that to la 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 la, ra, and all them thing there, and reel off him half a clip. Alright? Leave your comments in the comment section below, though. If you are one of those biased fans who realize that no matter what the other artists sing, as long as him not the part for your team, I know where this will come from, you know. I know where this will come from. You see, six aligned with Gaza. See? And don't know say loyalty are going over there. So are you one of the fans that cannot, for the life of you, say, the other side put out a good song? A Gaza me say, but the other side put out a good song. A Gaza me say, so me I support 6 because Gaza says 6, but Jamil put out a good song. Are you one of those fans, or can you let go of the biasness and say, you know, say, that one the bad, he must drop something to counteract that. John, no, come forward, my youth, forward. Talk up in the comment section below. Leave your comments. It's SoFlo TV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, you know. Also remember to click the link. Click the bell right next to the subscribe button so you are notified every time one of these videos go up. Alright? Up. I'm out. Peace.